Templates. Create project templates and funnels in Smart Center. Connecting funnels and widgets. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this lesson, we will look at how to create templates from funnels and widgets and share them with your colleagues, partners, or just transfer the templates to another project. Like and subscribe to our channel. This section will be useful for you if you create a funnels for your clients and then install them on another project. Or you can create as a chatbot maker a lot of templates and then sell them. It all depends on your business's goals. Go to the templates sections. The first it is menu Smart Messenger, and here the section templates. First of all, you should know that to share a template you can be on a free subscription plan on Smart Center, but for a person to install it, they must have a pro subscription plan on Smart Center. Now this is the menu with templates. At the top here are the created templates. You can delete any templates for your projects. If you need watch more than 5 templates, click in here Next. It is next page. At the bottom you can see what templates have been installed on this project. That is there the template that were transferred from another project and they can not be deleted for your project. Okay guys, create the first our template. Click the button Create and name this template. And continue. Click this name template. Here you can change name your templates. In this you can add link to the manual for using the templates. Here you can simply make a description for this template. On the left here we select the content of the templates itself. Click the button this and choose, for example, a funnel, and below widgets. Widgets, it is our landing page. This side I can see how much funnel, name these funnels and how much widgets, and name these widgets. Click the button Save and continue. Click the name My Template, and now I see this template has 2 funnels and 2 widgets. For example, if you want to share several funnels that are linked, you can select only one main funnel instead of all of them. If you want to share for your templates, you need to copy this link. Copy, and I open another here. Now I can choose which projects I want to install these templates. I have a lot of projects, but you can have, for example, only one and you choose only your one project. Clicking for this icon. Back for our templates. You can also give access only by email. For this activated and write this email. This means that another user must have already created a project on Smart Center. It must be registered to the mail that you indicate here. I write my mail, the mail. Doesn't matter now which mail. And if I copy now for this link, I can't install this project because now I registration by another mail. It is very useful features. It is important to know that in the templates you can transfer funnels, widgets, variables and tags, but you can't transfer products from the catalog and rules. If you have rules, make a description and add instruction on how to set up these rules. I'm writing all of this, or I'm writing into my funnels. I also recommend that you create a channel with messengers to the project in the beginning and only then transfer the templates itself. If you don't want to share your templates, you can deactivate access. Clicking here. And guys, we have a lot of free templates if you want to install for your project. Click in the menu Help and click in the menu Templates, open, and here you have a lot of different templates for different businesses. It's our templates, it is free, but some templates for our chatbot maker you can buy for some cost. It is all time something different, but we have a lot of free. It is more 70 templates free. Back our menu. Okay guys, in this video you have learned how to create your own templates and share it with your partners, which features we have, how it is transferring, and you know now we have a lot of free templates for you. Like and subscribe to our channel, don't miss new lessons on creating effective chatbots on Smart Sender. See you soon guys.